Welcome to the F1 Fusion Cam lesson, Activity 6, creating the right side toolpath. Applying the toolpath on the right side will be very easy as the car is bilateral, or essentially we can mirror the toolpath. In Fusion Cam, you can capture all the information that was input for the left side of the car and apply it to the right side. We will simply copy the current toolpath, paste it back into the CAM browser as a new toolpath, and then flip the Z-axis orientation, and the toolpath will be complete. We arrive in Fusion with our model in the exact position we left it in the previous video, showing the left side of the car and the toolpath. So to create the right side toolpath, we'll cruise up to the browser, right-click on Setup, select Copy, move up to Operations, right-click, and select Paste. Then we'll expand the second setup, and now we can see we have two setups and two toolpaths. Following best practice, let's move up here and change the name to Setup Right. That way we won't get confused. Next, let's rotate the car. This is how it would sit in the fixture. Currently, our setup is the same as the left because we copied it. So let's go in and change the Z-axis. So we'll right-click on Setup, select Edit, and we can see our Z is pointing down. Our Z should be pointing up. So we'll click on the cone of the Z-axis, and the Z-axis will flip. Then we'll say OK. Then we can see our toolpath is dirty because we have a new setup. We just need to regenerate it. So right-click on the toolpath and click Generate Toolpath. Now the toolpath is going to be regenerated, and it's on the correct side of the car. If you scroll down a little bit here, we can see that the tool is here, and it's going to start at the corner of the car like we like it to, and cut down and cut back and forth across the car. At this point, let's rename our toolpaths. So our first toolpath here we'll call F1-left, and our second toolpath we'll call F1-right. Next, take a minute and compare the two toolpaths. So the first toolpath we created, if we click on it, we can see it's on the left side of the car, and it's cutting all the stock away. We click, and it's also starting on this point on the corner. If we click on the right side toolpath, it starts in the same mirrored position and is also cutting up and down the car as it works its way to the end. This concludes the video for Activity 6. In Activity 7, we'll get to see virtual verification of our stock and our cutter and our model.